So today I'm going to be running through a quick little demo of a project I made just about 3 years ago on the date during my freshman time at DigiPen, which was a project called Freeflow. This was made over the course of about a month and a half. I think it was a 6-week project with 3 other programmers. This is the main menu. It's just literally 2 options, start and quit, with press space being select. And my first little touch that I was very proud of, because I made this main menu, was that when you press start, the player actually spawns where the red square is on the screen, which I thought was very cute. This is level 0, or sort of a sub-menu. Really all it is a tutorial to make sure the player understands, hey, this is how you jump, hey, this is how you all jump, before they get into the game, which is accessed just by touching the orange circle. So, most of the screen of the levels in this game are just a single screen. There's a timer in the top left that another programmer made, and these little yellow squares that another programmer added to the levels. Touch a yellow square, your time goes down by 1. So 18, 19, 20, 19, etc. Just little goodies to encourage the player to go out and grab them to save a little bit of time. I'm going to be doing 2 playthroughs today, if I can get over this one little jump. One which is sort of the intended route for new casual players, and one which I was very proud of myself at the time for designing, using a little trick in the level design, which I will talk about later, because those platforms may seem inaccessible, and we definitely can't reach them from here, but they're part of all the levels in this game have a sort of secondary set of routes laid into them. This level was basically made to show off the fact that one of the programmers figured out how to scroll the camera, and they were very proud of themselves. So I had to make a quick scrolling level. And that is the entire game. 3 levels. I think I made a character controller basically in a couple hours and just spent like a week or 2 fiddling with the numbers. And I think I designed all the levels in like a day. And going through again, I'm going to talk about another little thing that was part of my work on this project, which was I made it so that on level transition, you maintained momentum. So you'll notice it takes like a second to get up to full speed with the block. But if I run into this, I'm instantly going full speed because literally just your speed vector is still conserved between level switches. And I used this trick to program little alternate routes into the level. For instance, in the casual thing, I jump up here and grab the orange dot, but if you wall jump off, you have the speed to actually get into this little catch here and much more quickly reach the end goal. And then off the wall jump, you should have had enough velocity if you kept holding the direction to actually get up onto the ledge. But I was just a little bit slow. And then, of course, at the end here, another little trick I added in, which was just instead of going up there, if you're confident in your wall jumps, you can get up here pretty easily. And that's it. That's the entire game. Hit this orange block, go back here, go back up to these blue blocks, and that closes the game. That was basically my first, big programming project.